Hi, this is Anthony. Welcome back to my show. Can I ask one thing before I start? Please click the subscribe button below. It really helps me out and it doesn't cost you anything. Thanks so much. Raise your hand if you ever read annual reports or other required filing documents from companies that you own. Okay, I have to admit that I usually don't either. But the most recent 20F for 2021, which is the annual report that Nano, ticker symbol NNDM, files with the Securities and Exchange Commission, is pretty interesting. I think that I will make a series of videos about this document, but today I'm going to look at the part of the document called Item 3, Section D. So let me read what they say and you can follow along with the text that I will present. Summary of risk factors. Risks related to our financial condition and capital requirements. We are investing significant resources in research and development of our products and have a limited operating history on which to assess the prospects for our business, have incurred losses since the date of inception of Nano Dimension Technology Limited, and anticipate that we will continue to incur significant losses until we are able to successfully commercialize our products. We have generated limited revenues from the sale of our current products and may never be profitable. Our financial assets may continue to lead to significant impairments in the future. Risks related to our business and industry. We depend on the commercial success of our Dragonfly 4 system and ink products, as well as commercial success of other products sold by our subsidiaries, and may not be able to successfully scale up their commercialization. We may not be able to introduce products acceptable to consumers, and we may not be able to improve the technology used in our current systems in response to changing technology and end-user needs. We may not be able to successfully manage our planned growth and expansion. We face business disruption and related risks resulting from the recent outbreak of COVID-19, which could have a material adverse effect on our business and results of our operations. We have been engaged and continue to engage in mergers and acquisitions to diversify or expand our business, which may pose risks to our business and dilute the ownership of our existing shareholders, and we may not realize the anticipated benefits of these mergers or acquisitions. Risks related to our intellectual property. If we are unable to obtain and maintain effective patent rights for our products, we may not be able to compete effectively in our markets. If we are unable to protect the confidentiality of our trade secrets or know-how, such proprietary information may be used to compete against us. If we are unable to maintain effective proprietary rights for our products, we may not be able to compete effectively in our markets. We have been subject and may in the future be subject to further claims that our employees, consultants, or independent contractors have wrongfully or unavoidably used or disclosed confidential information of third parties, or that our employees have wrongfully used or disclosed alleged trade secrets of their former employers. Risks related to the ownership of the ADSs or our ordinary shares. As a foreign private issuer, we follow certain home country corporate governance practices instead of otherwise applicable SEC or NASDAQ requirements, which may result in less protection than is accorded to investors under rules applicable to domestic U.S. issuers. Risks related Israeli law and our operations in Israel. Our operations are subject to currency and interest rate fluctuations. Provisions of Israeli law and our amended and restated Articles of Association may delay, prevent, or otherwise impede a merger with or acquisition of our company, which could prevent a change of control even when the terms of such transactions are favorable to us and our shareholders. Our headquarters and other significant operations are located in Israel, and therefore our results may be adversely affected by political, economic, and military instability in Israel. We received Israeli government grants for certain of our research and development activities. The terms of those grants may require us to pay royalties and to satisfy specific conditions in order to manufacture products and transfer technologies outside of Israel. We may be required to pay penalties in addition to repayment of grants. Okay, so that's what I wanted to bring up today. I've made many other videos about Nano. I argue that there are a lot of issues facing it as far as a company and an investment for shareholders. The company's losing money and the stock has lost over 96% of its value in the last 7 years or so. Some of what I've read to you is legal boilerplate, but the warnings are real. There are many potential issues facing this type of company, whether it's located in Israel or not. That's not really the issue. Please keep these issues in mind when thinking about investing in Nano. But be sure to let me know what you think about what I've presented here and why you think that Nano is a good or not a good investment. I would really appreciate it if you made it this far if you leave a comment, either positive or negative. I can take the negative criticism, and in fact I've made videos in the past where I specifically analyze various viewers' critiques of my arguments. I would love to do that again if viewers leave comments. And if you like this type of content and want to see more, it would really help me out if you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also, please view my other videos, and if you like them, click the like button. It also helps out if you leave a comment in the comment section for each one. I'm on Instagram at AnthonyRRMills. You can follow me there. Since this channel is not yet monetized, if you want to help me out, I sell small collectibles on eBay. Things like old stock and bond certificates, coins and banknotes, stamps and postal items, and books, along with other things such as Masonic items. If you're interested in buying silver coins as collectibles or investments, I usually have some listed, and if you're interested in gold or silver as a commodity, I have a few YouTube videos that explain how you can easily do that, plus some of the pitfalls of doing so. You can find my items on eBay with my username, stock_tycoon. Thanks for watching and good luck in investing.